eh, na parang for enjoying it by yourself.
Ay, Diyos
Yun,
ko.
parang ganun.
Ewan ko sa'yo.
Okay, follow up na lang. Pag nakikita niyo sila off-cam, were you made to believe na sila nga? Or merong mga ganon na may romantic talagang ano? Ha? English yun, no?
Nung una ko silang, nung nakasama ko sila sa acting workshop before we started On The Wings, akala ko talaga sila. Akala ko talaga
Tapos,
sila.
nung ano
Hindi
na,
ko alam na hindi. Parang kung,
nagtrabaho na 7 months,
naku, ay, ano eh.
nahihirapan ka direct, sa totoo lang. Ilabas mo na yan.
Wala akong alam.
Okay. Nahihirapan po ang
Oo
ating
nga.
mga sagutin ng mga tanong.
Direct Jojo.
O, Jo, direct
Oo,
Jo.
si Direct Jojo.
Parang, yun.
Alok. Okay.
Wait. Ano ba?
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So, at
Partner,
this point,
we are down to our last question lang from
Sino
push.com.
sige nga, pagbigyan
Mau
natin isang
Belmonte.
push.
Hi guys, for Nadine and James, kung halimbawa lang mabibigyan kayo ng chance bigyan ng ending yung characters nyo, would you want them to be happily together or happily apart?
Happily together or happily apart?
Kasi sabi nyo parang pwede naman yung sabi kasi nila direct, 'di ba, pwedeng apart
Pero
pero,
happy
happy.
na.
Ako, gusto ko po happily together. Kasi yung na-in love ako dun sa story nilang dalawa, sa love story nila. So, even ako, as Nadine, invested din ako dun sa love story nila. And gusto ko rin syempre mag-end up sila together. Pero ang gulo-gulo na po kasi ngayon eh. So,
As na di napamahal ka talaga kay Clark ng bonggang-bongga. Ganun ba yun?
kay Clark and Leia.
Okay.
So yun. Pero, tignan natin.
Me, I'm actually a fan of tragedy. I am.
Hala.
The ending makes you want, the tragic ending makes you want to watch the beginning again because it makes you appreciate that love story at the beginning. And it makes you want them to be together. And then it's forever in that loop. Whereas you have a happy ending, end.
Galing-galing ni James talaga.
May violent reaction ka.
May sariling di ba?
Kaya ready nyo na yung mga tissue nyo.
Oh. Okay, with that last question, we'd like to hear from Direct Jojo, please. Thank you. I-thank mo na sila Direct Jojo for coming today and support the last 9 nights ng Otwo.
Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta and please support the last 9 nights of Otwol. Mabibigla po kayo sa ending.
Ayun na.
Sabi ni James, sucker siya for tragedy. So baka ganun. But thank you. Salamat po sa sakay sa paglalakbay ni Leia at Clark.
Oh, thank you, Direct. And of course, Direct Judge, Direct Tonette.
May tanong lang.
Um,
Direct, may tanong lang ako. Medyo intriga, pero I hope you don't mind, ha? Either the two of you ni Direct Jojo, if Pangako was able to garner a nearly 50% rating for its finale episode, dito sa ano expectations or ninyo, promise nyo sa amin na ratings na makukuha ng finale episode nito?
I think it is not up to us to say kung ano pong magiging ratings ng finale. Pero habang ginawa po namin yung On the Wings of Love, mula umpisa, pinasok namin yung On the Wings of Love na isa siyang bagong kwento, bagong love team, bagong approach sa teleserye. Wala kaming in-expect. Hindi namin in-expect na magiging ganito siya, na magiging na magkakaroon ng concert, na magkakaroon ng merchandise. So parang every taping day, nagte-taping kami, kinukuha namin yung love story ni Clark at Leia. At masaya kami na yung mga fans, yung mga tao, sumusuporta sa show. And we'll be happy to end the love story of Clark and Leia with everyone who supported the show from day one. Parang yung ratings, it will be just really icing on the cake. Kasi feeling ko kapag lalo mong iniisip yung ratings, parang nagiging insincere na yung ano eh, yung reason mo for doing this. Pero if you do this because you just love stories, you just love Clark and Leia, parang it will be more than just a TV show. It will be more than just a teleserye.
Thank you. Okay, next question. Kakasimula pa lang ng press con. Direct for your final.
Ayun. Sobrang from the bottom of our hearts, maraming salamat po sa pagsubaybay sa kwento ni Clark at Leia mula August ba? August hanggang ngayong February. Mamayang gabi, magkikita na si Clark at Leia ulit sa San Francisco. Magsa-start yung bagong chapter sa buhay nila. Marami pang mangyayari sa loob ng 9 na gabi, kaya wag na wag kayong bibitaw.
Thank
Salamat
you, Direct
po.
Net. And of course, Nadine.
Ayan, maraming salamat po for being here and of course sa pagsuporta niyo po sa On the Wings of Love. Thank you kasi kahit alam naming sumasakit na yung puso niyo, pinapanood niyo pa rin at tinutuloy niyo pa rin. What else? Thank you po sa suporta niyo sa amin ni James and of course we're really excited for the concert. Sobrang excited na po kaming mag-perform para sa inyong lahat. Ayan. So, with the ending, kasi ang dami nagtatanong sa akin, surprise na lang po yun. Surprise!
Thank you, Nat.
Thank
And of
you.
course, James.
Yes, there will be a big surprise for the ending. but
Wow.
You have
Surprise!
Surprise. It's the biggest surprise in prime time.
okay, fine. We have a big surprise, but we'll let. I think during the JD in Love concert, we will be revealing, announcing the surprise for the finale. So we hope to see you there at the concert, and we hope you're excited as we are. And thank you for coming.
Of course, from Dreamscape, from ABS-CBN and Viva Television, thank you for coming this afternoon. Thank you for supporting Otwal on the Wings of Love, Jaden in Love, and of course, Jaden the World Tour. Jaden Publicist, thank you for helping me with our fan groups. Jaden Thea, thank you. Ayan, thank you sa lahat na naandito. This is a gathering of all na mga heads ng ABS-CBN. Nakakatuwa ang suporta. Ayan po, we are only allowed till 3 by Viva today. So we are talagang wala na pong i-grant na interviews because they need to go rehearse. Band rehearsals na po sila. Again, see you on Saturday, Feb 20 at the Araneta Coliseum for the Jaden in Love concert.
Thank you